In this video, I want to show you how you can try to make Facebook not target outside your intended location. So this is a very common problem, and a lot of people have this problem where they tell Facebook to target maybe only people in Lagos or in America, and Facebook is going to take this advert outside of Lagos, outside of America, and in most cases, these people they reach outside, they are not very useful to you. So let me show you how you can try to fix that. So I'm inside the ad set level for this campaign. So want to scroll down to where we have this audience targeting. This is where the problem usually comes from, because now by default Facebook just turns on this advantage plus audience. This simply means that Facebook are going to decide the right audience for you and show them this advert regardless of where they are. But in some cases, you do not want that. You want people maybe in a specific location for a specific reason. So let's say you sell physical products and you cannot deliver to people outside your location, then you want to pinpoint people within that location. So, but Facebook is saying here your audience setup is creating more opportunity, blah, 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 blah. And they are using AI for this. And you know, AI needs to learn too. So it's not automatic. It says they won't reach people beyond the control that you set, even with advantage this thing on, which is what we are going to try to do in this case. So the first thing you need to do to solve this problem is, if you scroll down here, you see here where it says I need a specific audience. So you click on that and you see these three options. It's going to tell you to either stay in the current setup, and it promises you 7.2 lower conversion. But in this case, we don't really need lower conversion. We just need proper conversion. We need the people in that location. So what we are going to do is you come here, you click on further limit the reach of your ad. So this is what we want. So we can now come here, click on continue. So it's now going to further limit the ads, but we are not done. You now come to the location here, and then in this case I had included the postal code or the zip code of the particular locations that I want to target, and I excluded this because I don't want this advert to go outside of Lagos. All right, so this is another way to do it, but you can basically just come here, remove everything from here, and here you can now search for the specific place that you want to target. In my case, I'm going to target Lagos, Nigeria, and this is going to go to Lagos. All right, but again, we are not done. Here you want to untoggle this, reach more people likely to respond to your advert. So they will also show your adverts to people interested in your selected city and all, but they're also going to take it outside of that city. So we are going to uncheck that. Also, if you wanted to get even more specific, you have this option to drop pins inside of Lagos. All right, because Lagos is actually a big place, and let's say you wanted to target only this part of Lagos, you can come to drop pin here, and then you can drop at that particular part of Lagos. All right, so you can also see that it covers a part of the ocean, or the I think that should be the Atlantic Ocean. But you can also come from the pin here, you can click on it, and you can reduce the kilometers that it has to cover from our pin. So we can only go as low as 1 kilometer from there. All right, so this is what it's going to look like. So if you wanted to drop in somewhere else, you can also look for the places inside of Lagos. So these are parts of Lagos, and you can try to drop pins around this place. So this is Circle Mall, somewhere around Jakonde. If you wanted to cover that area, you can also drag and drop the pin around that area, so that Facebook, we know that these are the places that we want our adverts to get to. So these are the second things that you need to do. So if you come to the age and gender, you also see that Facebook would also want to help you create the suggestions to the people that they want to reach, the age. So let's say you want, for specific reason, maybe 25 years old, you can come here. You see, they also bring out this suggestion, which means that they can show it to people who are not even within this. But we want to untoggle them to use it as a suggestion. So they are going to use it as a rule in this case. So if they are more than 50 years or 55 years, they should not see this advert. But also you have to understand that people do not use, in most cases, their real age on Facebook. So Facebook might just still bypass this. So if you come to gender, it's the same thing. So if you sell to only men or you sell to only women, the moment you check it, you see this used as suggestion, which simply means they are not going to follow this strictly. But if for any reason you are targeting just men, you want to untoggle this. And if you are targeting just women too, you want to check just women right here. But in most cases, you are going to leave it to all. So Facebook can basically just take it to both genders, because in most cases, most genders or people just buy things interchangeably. Men buy things for women, women buy things for men. So this is not very important, the gender. So the detailed targeting, in most cases, you are just going to leave it blank for now, because Facebook is just going to help you find the right people. But another thing to do is the language, because Facebook and a lot of all these platforms these days, they auto dub clips, which means somebody can in maybe China be listening to me speaking in Chinese because they auto dub it, which means your video or your adverts can be sent to people who don't even understand English, and it will be auto dubbed, but they might not be your target audience. So you want to come here, put the language that you need. All right. So in my case, I want English people, the English USA, English UK, and English general. So maybe English Nigeria and English Kenya and so on and so forth. All right. So this is also important, and people, in most cases, they neglect it or they don't remember it. So after that, that's basically how you can try to limit your audience within the specific location that you want Facebook to show this advert. So I hope this video was helpful. Please like the video. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment section. My name is Noel. I'll see you in my next videos. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.